Yes, it is our exercise 6.2, question number 3rd, add. Okay, first of all, again I am telling that if we are having same signs, then what do? We subtract. And if we are having different signs, if we are having same signs, so we add, and if we are having different signs, we subtract. And always we remember that sign in answer comes of greater number, comes of greater number. So now we'll see here, they are having different sign, it means we need to subtract. So 11 minus 7, answer is 4, and the sign will come of 11 because 11 is greater, so it will be plus 11. Now again different signs are there, it means we need to subtract. So 18 minus 13, answer is 5, and which is number is greater? 18 is greater, so 18 sign here it is plus, so what will come here? Plus. So plus 5 is the answer. Next it is minus 10 and plus 19. Both the numbers are having different sign, it means we need to subtract. So 19 minus 10, answer will be 9. But now we have to check the sign. So plus 9 or minus 9. 19 it is bigger and it is having plus sign, so it will come plus 9. Now D part, both the signs are different, it means we need to subtract, and 100, and the sign will come of 250 because 250 it is greater, so answer will be minus 100. Similarly, the E part, both the signs are same, it is minus 380 and here it is minus 270. When both the signs are same, so what do? We add, and sign will come of 380 because it is greater. And what is the sign here? Minus. So what will come here? Minus 650. Similarly, the F part, it is minus 217 plus minus 100. Okay, both the numbers are having same signs, so it means we need to add. It will be 317 and the sign will come of the greater number, and the greater number is 217. So answer becomes minus 317. Now similarly, we will solve the question number 4th and the last it is, I think so, 5th question is also there. Okay, find the sum of, it means 137 plus minus 354. Again the numbers are having different signs, so it means we need to subtract the numbers. 14 here, 7, 4, 1, 217 with a negative sign. Why the negative sign? Because 354 is with the minus sign. Now next, minus 52 plus 52. So minus 52 plus 52 we need to subtract, and answer will be 0. Now it is 3 numbers are here. So first number minus 32, then plus 39 and plus 192. These two numbers are having same sign, so we have added. Now these two numbers are having different signs. When the signs are different, so what do? We subtract. So we have subtracted, answer is 81, and it is with the negative sign. Why negative sign? Because 312 it has a negative sign. Similarly, the D part, it is minus 50, minus 200 and plus 300. So, we can take the numbers which are having the same sign, minus 50 and minus 200. Both the numbers are having same sign, so we have added. And in the answer, it is minus 250. Why minus sign is there? Because 200 it is greater. Now, minus 250 and plus 300. Here, this is different sign. So different sign means subtract, and here these both were having same sign, so same sign means we add. Okay, so now it is 50 and here 300 is bigger, so the sign of 300 is plus, so answer will come plus 50. Moving towards the fifth question, it is find the sum. Now 4 values are here. So it is minus 7, minus 9, plus 4, plus 16. Now you can see these two values, they are having same signs. So it means we need to add, है ना, same sign we add. Here also these are having same signs. Same sign. So what do? We add. So 9 plus 7, it is 16 with a negative sign, because 9 is greater and its sign is minus. Now these two, they are having different sign. So different sign, what do we do with the different sign? We subtract. So 20 minus 16, it is 4, and in the answer which sign will come? Plus sign, because plus 20 it is greater. Now we will move towards the B part. It is 37 minus 2 minus 65 minus 8. Now you can see all these three numbers, they are having same sign. When the numbers are having same sign, it means we add. So 65 plus 2 plus 8, 8 plus 2, it is 10, so it becomes 75. So 37 and 75. Now which sign will come here? Okay, now see, 65 is greater, the sign of greater number, so minus 75. Now one it is plus 37, one it is minus 75. Now both these are having different signs. So when it is having different signs, so we subtract. Okay, 75 minus 37. So what will come here? It's 38. And which sign will come here? Of minus, because 75 is greater number and it is having the sign of minus. Okay, thank you.